Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 vegetables that you can regrow, store-bought vegetables that you can regrow so that you can get endless supply, like over and over and over again if you follow this method that I'm going to show you. And also you are going to grow this in just water. Regrow it in only water. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, like the tips and the tricks that you need to know so that you can sustain your vegetables while in water. Okay, all right, let's go. I want to add that these vegetables grew out just from the first day that I put them in water. They started growing out. Like these ones you've just seen, these are about 5 to 7 days results of growing out, these ones. Okay, so let me introduce you to all the vegetables that we are going to use for today's video. So here I have some basil, I have cabbage, I have celery, I have lettuce, I have carrot, I have leek, and I have bok choy. Forget about the cauliflower. It did not make it because the store had cut it too thin, so it did not make it, but you can regrow it too. While watching, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, so make sure you place all your vegetables on your window, your kitchen window. So I had lost the clip that I made when I filmed all the vegetables when I put them up on my kitchen window. So I had to put just this lettuce. So after about 5 days to 1 week, this is what our vegetables look like. You can see everything has grown out. Everything has grown out in just water. So you can grow all these vegetables in just water. And keep watching, and I'm going to share with you other things that you need to know, like the tips and tricks that you need to know to make sure that you sustain it. Okay, so this is daytime, and like I said before, you have to change your water like consistently. I would say every 3 days, so that your water will be fresh. You don't want it to be brown. So this is what they look like. You can see that they are growing out already, very green. So instead of throwing away all these stalks, you can actually regrow them and get tons and tons of vegetables from them that you can plant again and harvest again and again and again and again. So let me show you individually what they look like. Look at this lettuce. In just 5 days to 1 week, this is what they look like in just water. And this is my Bok Choy. See, very green in just water. It's growing out. Okay, and very green, very green. And also let me show you my carrot. Here is my carrot. So you can see like this third one has some little shoots that is coming out from this carrot. And I also want to point out that this will not give you carrot fruit, but it will give you seeds if you plant it. So this is my celery. This is what it looks like. You can see it's growing out. It's very green, and you can see the root in the water is shooting out already. And here, oh my god, I had to bring this bok choy outside to film it so that you guys can see it clearly. And here is my basil. Woo, you can see that my basil is bringing out flowers already because they are growing out and bringing out new leaves. So in just water you can grow these vegetables, and you see they're very easy to grow. And then here, oh my god, I had to cut this one for my salad. I used it for my salad. If you love salad like I do, this should be one of your go-to vegetables, because lettuce is really good in salad. And I love it. And they also grow in not very hot weather, because if you plant it outside, like for example during hot weather, they might die. So you want to plant it where it's shady, but then it still gets some sunlight, like partial sunlight, not full sunlight. Okay, they are just like kale and spinach. They thrive well either like a shady environment, not too hot. Okay, so here is my leek. Let me say, here are my leeks. So from these cups, I transplanted them in my plastic bottles. I drank some water bottles. So I transplanted them here into my water bottles, and this is what they look like. You can see they've grown really tall. So from this we have this. From that little leek that you saw, this is what it looks like after regrowing. Okay, so my carrots, this is what they look like. I also want to point out that the other one died. Like the little one that you saw, that one died, but that's okay. It's still part of the process. Okay. So you win some, you lose some, but at least I have 2 left. So this is what they look like. They're gonna give me some carrots, greens. Here is my cabbage. I planted it in my soil in my garden, so it can have a deep root, so that it can grow well. So this is what it looks like after 3 weeks, say 21 days. This is what it looks like. You can see it's doing really well, and it's gonna grow very big. Right now, this is what we have, like 2 shoots, 2 sprouts, this little one and this big one, and they're gonna grow very big, and from here we can get some seeds that we can plant next year, like over and over and over again. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, all right, so guys, you see how green it looks? So instead of throwing this cabbage part away, no, make sure you replant it. And this is my Bok Choy. I just wanted to give you guys the update. This is my Bok Choy after 4 weeks. I planted it in a container. You might want to do the same for yours. If you don't have a spot in your garden, or if you don't have a garden, a backyard like I do, to grow your vegetables, you can plant it in a pot, a container like this, and that is fine. And this is my celery. Planted it in a plastic bottle and it's doing well. And this is my lettuce. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.